It's your boy Majai Vernon K, Mr. Money Man, aka I do real estate, aka I'm an entrepreneur. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy, man. I'm back at it with another video, man, pertaining to different trade lines you can actually put on your file while you're trying to build, reestablish, and correct those things that we've let take place over the years, man. So first and foremost, man, I would like to say, if you're not a member of the channel, man, definitely subscribe, man. We trying to hit that 250 milestone, man. Trying to get those subscribers up. Definitely trying to provide y'all with the content. And also, if you find anything in this video valuable, definitely drop it in the video below, man. Just throw man, we appreciate you. Thanks for the review or whatever the case may be. And share this to somebody, man, that's trying to do the same thing that you're doing, and that's better your life, better your future, man, and possibly set yourself up for uh, a life of ease without discernment. So, like I say, real estate, credit building, credit restoration, entrepreneurship, man, that's a lot of the things we taught and how to just get this money. So right now we're in the process of adding another trade line, man. Been working with the credit, restoration. Been pulling things off the file. Been pulling, removing all the nasty items off, man. So what we're doing now, we got a new gem on another trade line. Click the link below for the previous trade line video that I put up. But this one here is kind of similar. It's kind of a similar company, man. One thing I like about this particular company is the fact that the actual lines are substantially higher. So this particular membership, uh, we're gonna go after the We're gonna go after the 7,500 enrollment package, man. They got two options out there. One for 7,500, one for 10,000. And we're gonna enroll in it, man. They say it's instant approval. I'm not sure. First time I created a account. I believe I created I submitted an application, but that's the thing about it. I didn't pay anything when I actually done it. So I'm going back to redo it, and I'm actually walking y'all through it as I do it, man. So nevertheless, I'm going to flip this camera around, man, and just show y'all kind of some of the ins and outs I might pan out, when they start asking for certain information. But I'm just going to go ahead and turn the screen around, man, and you can see I'm her. You kind of got a couple different option there. You got a 7,500 enrollment package, you got a 10,000 enrollment package, then you got your monthly fee membership. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on one of these packages, and we are going to just gonna get it going, man. We ain't gonna even play with them. We're gonna make it happen. We're gonna try to like I said, and like you want to do this after you've been in the process of removing all the bad items off your report, man. At some point you've done all you can. You're still possibly trying to remove some things, and adding those trade lines, especially a trade line with a significant value, will definitely increase your chances of, it'll definitely help your credit, man. It lowers your utilization rates, and that's what we're going for. Get that credit utilization rate super low, to where you're actually your score should definitely feel the benefits of that. It's a primary trade line, so that's also a plus. So we're just going to input our payment information, man. Uh, we're going to input our payment information. And it's a leap of faith, man. So we just gonna see. Kind of doing some little reading up on the actual website, and they're saying you actually, with this particular one, you don't have to buy anything, so the payment is the payment, and you'll just pay for your reoccurring monthly membership fee. So it's a one-time setup fee, and then you have a monthly membership fee. So I'm going to process my payment. Your order is being processed. Your order is confirmed. So there you go, man. It says order confirmed. I actually got the $10,000 enrollment package. So out the door, this particular trade line is costing right at $190 to actually join, and it's a reoccurring $39 membership. But like I say, what we're looking to do when we utilize these particular methods is, you have to pay to get in the game. You know, if you wanna look at it in all fields, all endeavors, man. In order for you to get playing time in the NBA or in college, like, you got to put in the time in the gym. You got to put in the time on the court. So in order to get your credit right, man, after you done did years and years of bad, you know, uh, you know, putting all these negative things on there, we got to remove them, and then you just got to pay to get back in the game. So, hopefully, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna compile a list, man, showing you all the different tools that we use and what we've actually spent to date. This is only the second trade line that I've actually spent money on adding to the file. So I think the first payment, the first membership was a $99 membership. Obviously, this one is $190. So we're right around 270 bucks. 190, 290, and then we had the $100 item that we had to purchase. So we're roughly about 400 bucks in, man. So I think, once you hit, kind of be expecting, but that doesn't include like your membership fees for the credit monitoring, systems and things like that. So just understand that, yes, you can do it yourself. Yes, these methods are applicable for you as the other person, or as something that we can actually do for you, or walk you through the process, through consultation or something like that. So understand, yes, when everyone says free, man, I like to just shoot straight. It's no hidden agenda. I don't have anything to sell you, but if you want it done, I can help you in that fashion. And then we begin to talk about fees and things like that. But currently, I just give it to you straight, tell you how it is. When everybody's saying, hey, credit restoration for free and do it yourself, you still going to spend money, man. Don't expect for nothing to just be, no money involved, no money out of pocket. Like, if you want to get the right tools to do this stuff correctly, you have to pay. You have to pay for the monitoring. You have to pay for the removal. You have to pay for the postage. You have to pay for the letters. Like, all of these things you're going to spend some money, but is it worth it? Once you get to a 750 credit score, in turns, that typically should put you in a ballpark range to where you can go out and get that house you want. You can get that way prior before you even reach that, but a 750 to an 800 credit score, man, is worth about, $150,000 in cash, credit, or other credit alternatives. So that's what we're striving to get, man. And what we're going to do, we're going to utilize all these different methods to actually go out and show you how to buy real estate with it. So y'all stay tuned, man. I just got approved for this trade line. It should hit It's a revolving line. It's a primary. It's a $10,000 trade line, primary trade line that will report to all three major credit bureaus. I'll have a link in my down below showing you where to go. Click the link, go sign up when you're ready to invest that money. Otherwise they have two different methods. You can pay for the $7,500 trade line, which is a little bit cheaper, or you can go with the $10,000 trade line. I mean, I'm telling you, that's what it's saying. It says, thank you, order confirmed. That's the amount over there. So I'm just showing y'all what I'm doing, man. I'm a hands-on teacher. That's what I paid. Order confirmation. So that's just what it is. Y'all stay tuned, man. It's your boy, Majava and the JK, Mr. Money Man, aka I do real estate, aka I'm an entrepreneur, giving you the news, the blues, and the clues, man, to get your money, your credit, and ultimately get your life right. It's your boy. Peace.